Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Chris once again and welcome to my channel. So kung bago ka lang pala sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click na rin natin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga next video. Alright guys, so welcome once again. I'm here. So we're going to discuss again a short video tutorial on how to transfer your Umi coin from Sigen Pro going to your Umi Wallet Blockchain. Alright guys, so right now let's proceed. So sa mga Umi holders yan, so I believe that you know already how to withdraw from Sigen Pro, and this video I create this video especially for the newbie and beginners out there that who wants to join or to engage in this Umi or GLIZE project. All right, this is the preparation especially for the preparation for the new project of Roy Club about GLIZE token. All right, so right now I'm going to use my fourth account. So right now let's go to withdraw here also. So what you're going to do is you need your address, your newly created address from blockchain. So this one, this address that I'm going to use, so I can transfer my Umi coin from Sigen account. Okay, what you will do is you have to enter your wallet here. Go to umi.top, and I'm sure if you already know the umi.top and you're already created your wallet, so I'm sure you can I'm sure that you know already how to log in. All right, once you log in, what you will do, you will copy this one, copy, and go again to our Sigen Pro account. Here you're going to put your address. All right, once you put your address, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it all. So here we're going to send it all. Oops, it's not working. Why? Let's check. Wait guys, so guys, I think we're experiencing some glitch. So I'll try to copy this one first, the balance. Let's check it's going to work. So right now it's not working. It's because still the request code on email is grayish, so we cannot send. Alright, okay, let's choose the address. Select your address. So again guys, let's try again. Naka-experience tayo ng konting glitch. Right, so withdraw again. Right, I'm going to copy my Umi wallet address, my newly created Umi wallet address. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now the request code on email is already functioning, working. Right, so let's click this one, send all. Okay, now we're good. So prepare also your your email. It's because they're going Sigen Pro is that's good for that's good that's the good thing in Sigen Pro, because they're going to give you a two-factor authentication code to verify that you are the owner of your account, that you're using it, right? So okay, once I'm done, request code. Alright guys, so hopefully okay naman kayo dyan. And to our foreign friend out there, Umi holders, hopefully you're doing good, and always be a diamond hand. Okay, so we're going to refresh this one. Alright, so let's wait for a minute. Okay, as you can see, we receive it already. So we're going to copy this one, copy the code, and let's return in Sigen Pro and enter the code from your email. Alright, then click withdraw, guys. You have to click it. So confirm transfers. So again, we're going to return in our email so we can proceed for confirmation that we're going to have a withdrawal. Right, so let's wait for another minute. Okay, as you can see, the confirmation is fast. As you can see, the amount to be removed from the user's balance together with the commissions. Alright, so you have to make sure that this is the address that you are going to use, and you have to double check it. At least you are sure that this is your account. This is your receiving address. Alright, now it's good. 7Q62. 7Q60. Alright, so right now we're going to confirm it from in our email. Again, confirm, and that's the good thing, transferring from Umi, it's 0 commission. Actually, this is the advantage of using Umi blockchain. It was like you are 0 gas fee. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have to confirm. Alright, so right now we're going to wait for a minute, or sometimes it's actually sometimes it's very fast to receive from our blockchain, so we can check it. Oh, as you can see, it's like it's a matter of second, I think. Alright, guys, so as you can see, so that's the way you're going to transfer. It's very easy, guys. So napakadali lang, di ba? So I think mas matagal pa yung pagdadaldal ko at pagpapalit ko ng tab sa pag-transfer niya, kasi so ito yung guys, ito yung nakaka-miss dito sa Umi blockchain. Sobrang bilis ng transfer niya, especially kung Umi to Umi yung transfer niyo. So I think seconds lang talaga yan, marireceive nyo agad. So as you can see, kanina 1 lang siya. So right now, so dumating na siya. Alright, so I think we're good. So actually, I made this tutorial for the especially for the beginner, and especially for the Umi holders that that they're not, just only Umi holders that not too much familiar. So at least I can guide you here, especially to our foreign Umi holders out there. That's why I'm trying my best to speak in English. At least you can understand my video tutorial. And so for those guys who are new in my channel, please don't forget to support me, like, share, and subscribe, and please click the notification bell so you can be updated on my next video. Alright, guys, so thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa ating mga subscriber dyan, at sa nakapanood ng aking video. At kung bago ka lang pala sa aking channel, please wag mo naman pong kalimutan na suportahan, like, share, subscribe, and click na rin natin notification bell para update ka sa aking next video. Paulit-ulit, tinatranslate pa. Alright, so hopefully naintindihan nyo naman tong aking short tutorial, para at least makapag-start na kayo kung meron kayong plan to migrate sa new project ng GLIZE Token. Syempre, para maging early adopter din, to be part of an early adopter of the new project of GLIZE Token. Alright, guys, so thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.